Students, now you understand this moment. See, how do we define this moment? A moment, it is a product of a force and it's a perpendicular distance. Look at here, you can see this moment and force into perpendicular distance. Either you can keep there the force is perpendicular to the distance, or force is a perpendicular to the distance. Either you can do any one. Okay, so let's say the example. Okay, here this is the O point and this is the perpendicular distance D. When you are applying the force at this side, okay, how do we define this is the moment at O point is force into perpendicular distance. Okay, it is exactly perpendicular to the distance for the force, that's why we call as a force into perpendicular distance. For example, if you take again what we have, this is the force, right? Okay, this is the force which having some inclination 60 degree. Okay, this is the O point. How do you calculate the moment? Okay, so I will take this the 5 Newton. So I want to calculate the moment at O point, but this is not a perpendicular distance here. Okay, so first of all you want to be resolve this force in two mutual perpendicular direction. Okay, either this is a vertical as well as this one, this side. Okay, when you resolve in a vertical, okay, this one vertical 5 sine 60 degree. Okay, so next in horizontal 5 cos 60 degree. Is it right? So now it is become a perpendicular. If this distance is I will say 4 meter. Okay, now you calculate that is a fine sine 60 into how much? 4 meter. Okay, now you tell me how that is rotates clockwise or anti-clockwise. Okay, I will take this a positive clockwise and anti-clockwise as negative. Okay, just to keep at here, this one is a object. For example, say, okay, this is the what the force, this is the distance, this is the force, upward direction O. Just to keep this pen on that, pen cap on that, and just to apply in a vertical force. How it is rotates? Anti-clockwise. So therefore, I will take this as a negative. So you will get the moment about O point as a this much. Okay, like same that. For example, if you take here, this is the O point. If I apply the force in at top side, okay, if you keep an object here, how it is rotates when you apply the force is positive moment. Okay, this is the negative moment. Okay, just to keep it here, just to apply in a vertical, how it is rotates, just then anti-clockwise. So like this you need to write there. This is a negative anti-clockwise, positive clockwise.